for people wey think say wey dey talk say spirituality no need blood sacrifice, guy, afia ka na azu, you got that? And blood is the most important currency. Blood is the hardest currency in this plane. Obulego, no be money, be currency. Now blood, something we take on your blood don't fuck you up. Something we come after your blood. Vampires are a big deal because of this thing. Vampires in the movies, right? The vampire movies are a big deal because of this thing. Something we affects your blood. Blood parasites are a big deal because your blood na the hardest currency. I get holy age, and I know transact with woman. Obviously, I'll be like, thank you, say I get this song, but I know settle the woman. And I go touch the song, I go start to work on the song. I started getting attacks from the people with her. She go pull up, but not the people with her who they rob me. It was only until I did blood sacrifice. I did a sacrifice for a thank you exchange. Yo, thanks for this song. Thank you for this song. I don't have anything right now, but we still did. We did together, and as things they come up, we go they do things in your honor. You know what I'm saying? We go do sacrifice. So if you did practice some form of spirituality and they are telling you and it is telling you away, I don't know. There's this lady here that is always saying that in my comments that thing is modern Western thing. I mean, I don't know where you learned that from, but blood is the biggest currency, and so spirituality needs blood sacrifices. So one last thing, remember that I offer consultation calls. So if you feel there is something that could be gained from anyone one-on-one, having a session together, speaking one-on-one, hit me up, book a session with me, and let's set the time and talk and hash out, maybe help you through the start of your journey or through a bump in it or something. Yeah. So let's get on the call and work something out.